Microwave popcorn. How much do they sell it? Okay, let's just buy one and see. Okay, me.
What is this?
Microwave popcorn. You will like it, trust me. Hold it. So maybe we'll buy the pink and the blue one. Come on, hold this one.
Wow.
Sophie. Hey, boss. Let's go there. So
15 minutes later.
Oh, okay.
just doing shit.
This shouting. Here comes Daddy. What is going on?
So me, see your school uniform.
Mommy. Daddy, look at me.
So me, come and try it on. Just come. So this is for 7 to 8 years,
For
yeah.
School girl.
School girl. We bought it for how much? £7. Abi? So we bought this in Asda for £7, and it's for 7 to 8 years. 7 to 8 years. May I come and try it on? So we're gonna put this in the trash. You have dropped another. This guy don't use it.
Mama, here's something.
Okay, here's one.
Oh.
I do.
Mama,
No. Wrong way.
Love
I
me.
love you.
Yes. Mommy, did you love me?
Yes. So.
What's in my hand?
Come on, wait.
Mom, see what's here.
Wait, where is the clothes on her?
Yes.
Okay. So wait, let's go and unpack all those things.
Mommy, that is shawarma.
No, I want to microwave it. I don't even know what.
Shawarma!
It's okay, yeah? Please, it's not too tight. Okay. You're welcome. That's good. Stand up. Let's go and eat. Let's stand up.
2 days later.
Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's still your favorite person, Cyndy Cjay. Welcome to a new vlog. So can I talk? Welcome to a new vlog, guys. So I don't even know what this vlog is going to be all about, but trust me, my vlogs are always interesting. Isn't that right? Okay, so guys, I just took Adeze to school, and I'm coming back. I stopped by this store to buy some wares. Yeah, so this is the onset of winter. Yeah, so we've passed summer, so we are gradually rolling into winter. Yeah, so I said let me buy some winter clothes that they can be wearing in the house, because I normally, when it's winter, they normally wear like 2 clothes in the house, yeah, because I don't want stories of cold. You got me? Yeah, so let me show you guys the things I was able to pick. Yeah, by next week or so, I will fold out like all their summer clothes. I will fold them and put them right inside their box, and then bring out some of their old winter clothes, and then these ones I bought as well. Yeah. So hold on. So this is one. Yeah, so this is basically for Adeze. So it's thick, not thick, but it will protect the cold in the house. Yeah. Okay, so this one is a black long sleeve with a hood. Yeah, and it's also thick. So this one will be for Soph. Yeah. Long sleeve with, yeah, it's also thick. So if she wears something like this and wears another thing on top, I think she's protected for the winter in the house, and heater will still be on, of course. Well, for Sophie, this particular one is big. So I'm looking at and it has a hood as well. Yeah. So this is a hood. So this particular one is so big, so what I will do is either Adeze wears it, or I'll just take it from, if it fits me, maybe I'll take it for myself. But if it doesn't fit me, or if it's tight on me, then Adeze will just be wearing it like that. After all, it's just in the house, so she will just put it like that. So we are winter ready, and then I bought this I don't even know what this thing is called, trouser skirt, and this skirt trouser, whatever. I bought these two. So this one is for Soso, and then this one is for Adeze. It's two different sizes. But I feel this Adeze's own might be too tight for her. Like, I don't think she will wear it for long. I don't think so. And then I bought these cute jean trousers for Soso. I just saw these trousers and I loved it. Yes, I bought these jean trousers for Sophie, and I know she's gonna love it. Yeah, so these are the things I bought. I said, let me come and show you guys our winter clothes. So we are winter ready. I forgot to show you guys this last one. I didn't even know Soso took this one inside the room. So yeah, this is another one. So hopefully, I think it's Adeze that will wear this one, or Soso, anyone. Yeah, so we have a lot. So we are winter ready. So please, if you have not shopped for your kids, like, you know, you don't have winter clothes for them, please do well now to start shopping. So come down from there. Do well now to go to any store you buy from, you shop from, and shop winter clothes for them, because the winter is real, the cold is real. Before you know it, the temperature will start dropping, and most of these wears will start stopping money. Like the price might go up. I don't know if you guys get me. Yeah, so this is the best time to shop your winter anything, your winter clothes, your winter boots, your winter jacket, if you don't have any of those. Okay, yeah. So so just tried this one on. Soso just tried her own. Mama, are you looking at me?
Yes.
Look at me, love. Look at the phone. Yeah. So Soso just tried this sweater and this trouser skirt on, and she looks so cute. Mama, can you stand up for me, love? Tie your back. Tie your back, love. Is it fun that you want to fall? I thought to the front, baby. It's so cute, love. So what will you tell mommy?
Thank you, mommy.
You're welcome,
Happy
baby.
birthday.
You are this happy birthday. Mama, it's so cute too. Can you tie your back, baby? Tie your front. It's so cute. Does the trouser come closer? Let me see. The trouser seems big. See, it's not your size, Mama. The trouser is not your size. I'll come and take it off, baby.
I got.
The next day.
So this is our popcorn phones. So we're going to be making popcorn.
So which one do we make? The pink one or the blue one?
Pink.
So you want which one? The blue?
Pink.
This one says she wants blue.
That's just pink. This is pink.
You want pink?
Blue.
Right, let's do. We'll count. What do we do now? We do mini, more, right? So let her do first. Okay, so do your own. Okay, let's do the pink one so that Soso will not start crying. You know she likes to cry.
Cry.
Mama aqua.
No, Mama cry.
Mama aqua.
No.
Mama aqua.
No. I'm not saying that big baby.
Are you okay? So you are Mama aqua.
No, Mama cry.
Yeah, Mama aqua.
No. I'm not saying that.
I should not say that.
No.
Alright, bring the blue one. Let's make it. So, Mama.
Yes.
That is such. Do we do the pink one instead?
Yes.
That's my sweet girl. High five. Me, come and see. Soso agreed to do the pink one first. Come and hug her now. Tell her thank you. She said the pink one.
Yay!
So what now? Hug her now. This pink one instead. Yeah, so I agreed to do this one. So let's take it out. This place that is written up UP. So you place it in this in the microwave like this. So with this up facing this way, so we're going to place it like this in the microwave. So yeah. And it's going to stay in there for like 5 minutes. So let's see what happens in there. It's popping. Can you see, guys? It's swelling. It's popping. It's popping.
My mom is getting fast like big balloon.
It's getting fast like big balloon, yeah?
It's getting.
Yee, that's true.
Big.
It's getting big.
Yeah.
Wow.
When Daddy come back, Dad is going to sleep. Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa. Now I get to do nice popcorn.
So what did they say again? They said, okay, approximately 2 to 5 minutes. Okay, it has stayed like 2.5 minutes now. Stay by the microwave while popping. Listen carefully and stop the microwave when rapid popping slows down to 2 to 3 seconds between pop. Normally we buy popcorn in big buckets like this. I have like 4 of these buckets. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 2 in my fridge. Like I've been buying the bucket popcorn, but since I've discovered this type now, let me stop it. Since I discovered this type now, I think I'll be buying these buckets. Since I discovered this microwave one, I think I'll be buying it instead.
Guys, I'm so excited for the popcorn. They say that? They say that? They say that? What's up? What's up? Is your girl?
So let's take it
out. I don't know what you're saying. I'm saying it's so sorry.
Aside.
Shit.
Microwave popcorn. So guys, this is what we have.
It's hot.
It's hot, yeah, so it has to cool down. Ooh. So guys, this is what we have. We did already the pink one, so we do the black one, the blue one another day.
It's hot, it's hot.
It's hot, yeah?
Yes.
Food, big spoon. There you go. There you go, love. A spoon. I like it, yeah? I'll return it for you. It's not too hot now. Chop now. Come on, eat for me now.
I can do it.
Okay, let's just eat one for me. I go. Pick your food. It's right here. It came out so well. I didn't even know it was going to be this nice. But yeah, I like it.
1 hour later.
You guys are enjoying the popcorn. This is also